Okay guys, so welcome to the next part of sculpting the schoolgirl, and in this part I think I started to make the hair. And a few things I want to say. I saw that a lot of people enjoyed the first part, and also on Facebook group I posted this picture, and yeah, a lot of people liked it, and I don't know why. Maybe she's very nice sculpt, but I think it might be because of her breast. I don't know why. I'm assuming a bit that maybe it was the reason why she looks so good, and that's why I had a spike in my views when I saw my statistic on YouTube, and I think I gained like 300 new subscribers from the last 3 days, so my subscribers count went really up since that video, so I'm really happy. And here's the second part. So there's one more part left, so which is rendering, and I said before that I'm still doing it. I actually finished her, but I didn't record the video because I was testing it, so now I will do it again, and maybe I will explain a bit the notes and the process, because time-lapse is time-lapse and I don't edit much here because one, I'm quite lazy, and two, I think there's no reason to, like, editing a video can make a video very fun. Like my time-lapse, they are boring AF, not like I don't know, Janscope. He has very nice time-lapses and they are synced with the music, and I don't know, I know how to do it, but it would be very time consuming, and I prefer to spend that time on actually making the videos, I mean sculpting, not editing them, because I'm not good at it. So I forgot something. I forgot about what I was talking about. Okay, I remember. So the texturing is quite different, because if you watch it in the time-lapse, you can learn almost nothing. So that's why the last part I want to spend a little bit more time and actually explain it to you a bit, and explain it how I achieved those results. And I'm not good at texturing, especially at procedural texturing, because it requires the knowledge of the notes, and I really didn't learn notes before. Like, I didn't want to, because I learned stuff that would be possible to make in the game engine. So when you do something in notes, like procedural stuff, you can't, like, I think it's very hard to transfer it into, I don't know, the game engine like Unity. So if you want to do texturing for games, you basically use Substance Painter, which is a paid program for making textures for the game characters and everything. But one more thing I want to say before I leave this video is I bought a new computer, so I'm really happy. It's a beast basically. So I bought a computer with graphics card RTX 2070, and it has AMD processor, but it's very good, and now I can make a lot more high-res sculpts and also record it, because usually, like, my process before was to sculpt something that's not too high, because I didn't want to lag my computer, because I had the recording in the background, but now it's not a problem, and I also can play games and record it, because also before I had to change my preset to medium, because I want to record it, and also rendering the videos will take smaller amount of time, because the videos I made before, they took about 1 hour to render, or sometimes 2, which is crazy amount of time for the videos that last only 10 minutes. So I'm really excited, I'm really happy, but I have to like download Blender there and install everything from the beginning, so the drivers, yeah, for my tablet, and the recording application, which is OBS. And the reason I'm happy because of that computer is not that I receive it, like okay, I get it and I'm very happy, but the most satisfying thing about that computer is that I paid it like from my money. So I get the, how to say, I earned the money from my job, and this is my first computer that I bought from my own money, so I'm really happy for it. I didn't ask my mom. I could, but I didn't, and I spent a lot of money on that computer, but I know that it will be used for, I don't know, next 5 years or something. And it was a time to upgrade my computer finally, because the current one I have, I bought it 5 years ago. My mom bought it 5 years ago when I was before high school, and I started to notice some like slowdowns because I have more requirements now. So apart from that, I think I have one more thing to say. I always have one more thing to say, but I promise you that this one will be the last one. So I'm planning to make this new sculpting series. I know that a lot of you guys asked for it, and I see in the comments that a lot of you also want me to do it, and I'm waiting for Blender 2.81, but I think that I might download the experimental build because someone said that it's very stable. So I will try it, we will see, and we will sculpt something together. I don't know what yet, but I will show you guys the new workflow and basically my workflow, and maybe you can learn something from it. So I think that's everything I got to say for now. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you guys in the next one. And hello to my new subscribers. Yeah, thank you, goodbye, and have a nice day. Bye bye.